Shut the door if you want.
Start with your fuel tank. We set it to left or least, and then come up. We check all our instruments if there's any defects in there. Make sure all our radios and avionics are turned off, and then come this way to make sure they are turned off as well, and make sure all our circuit breakers are inside. Nothing's popping out. We check our carburetor heat in the off position, and we put the mixture to full reach for the start, and put our master switch on, put a fuel pump on, check our fuel pressure, and then turn the fuel pump back off, and then set the throttle quadrant depending if it's a hot start or a cold start. We have two positions, so 1/2 inch or 1/4 inch, and then we prime the tank with some fuel if it's a cold start, so 3 pumps if it's a cold start, and make sure it's in and locked, and set our parking brake on. Then take our checklist out, cross-check with all the items, then only we start the aircraft. Right after starting, we check within 30 seconds, we check our T's and P's whether they're in the green, and then lean the mixture, and also we have to set the power to 1000 right as soon as we start, sorry, I forgot that. and take the parking brakes off. Make sure our comms are all set, and do our after start checklist again before we start.